Step 1. Unpacking and checking. Open the packing box. Check the accessory to see that if there is missing item or any distortion or impaired during transportation. Step 2. Installation tools. The power case installation requires the following tools. Step 3. Installation for main power case. Mounting. Install the L-stand 1 onto the cabinet. Note: please do not lock the screws too tightly at the first time. Use the fixed L-stand 1 as a template to mark the position of the hole on the wall. Drill holes with a 10-bit driller carefully. Make sure the holes are deep enough, at least 45 millimeters, for install, and tighten the expansion tubes. Install the expansion tubes into the holes. Fix the cabinet on the wall. Tighten the screws of L-stand 1. Install L-stand 2. Remark: the purpose of installing L-stand 2 is to facilitate the handling of the cabinet.
Electrical connections. Inner wire connections. Use the key in the accessory bag to unlock and open the cabinet door.
Plug the battery cables of battery 1. Plug the battery cables of battery 2. Set the ADD switch of the main battery to 1, battery 1. Set the slave battery to 2, battery 2. Turn on the switch of each battery module. Close and lock the cabinet door. Outer wire connection. Plug the power cable into the battery port of power case. Install the communication cable to COM port of power case. Install the other side of the cables to the inverter. Open the cover of the inverter. Connect the power cable to the battery port of the inverter. Connect the communication cable to the BMS port of the inverter. Install back the cover of the inverter. Install the outer ground cable. Make the earth cable. Use the crimping pliers to strip off 7 mm of insulation from the PE wire end. Put the pin contact with striped cable into the corresponding crimping pliers and crimp the contact. Connect the ground cable to the grounding point of the power case. There are 2 grounding points. The user can choose any one to connect this cable. Step 4. Installation for slave power case. It is the same method as main power case, and the distance between the 2 power cases is about 20 to 30 centimeters.
Inner wire connections. Use the key in the accessory bag to unlock and open the cabinet door.
Plug the battery cables of battery 1. Plug the battery cables of battery 2. Set the ADD switch of the main battery to 3. Set the slave battery to 4. Turn on the switch of each battery module. Close and lock the cabinet door. Connect the power cable between the main and slave power case. Connect the communication cable between the main and slave power case. Connect the ground cable to the grounding point of the power case. There are 2 grounding points. The user can choose any one of them to connect the cable. The 14.32 kilowatt system has been installed successfully. Step 5. Operation of power case. Turn on the breaker. Turn on the DC switch and on/off button of inverter. The inverter finally enters into the normal working state after the counting down. The power case is installed successfully and working normally.